All right, I got a little silver order from Bullion Exchanges. I placed this order on April 23rd. It is May 4th today, and this is a pretty cool box. Bullion Exchanges is one of my favorite places to buy from. They definitely have the best price almost always. And I did buy this with e-check, so it did take like a week of holding to clear the funds. So, all right, here's what's in the box. Let's take a look here, because it's a pretty cool box going on. Let's keep that in the background. Let's open up this first one here. Okay, just for fun, we got a copper buffalo round, because why not? From Golden State Mint. He can hang out with my other buffaloes. And here we got 2025 Perthmint Snake. And it came in a capsule. Get the king. It's a nice looking coin. I don't really like snakes all that much, but all right, let's see what else we got. Really like Bullion Exchanges packaging. So we got American Eagle, 2026. We got a 2016 Canadian. That's a cougar on it. Got the queen. That's in pretty good shape. We got another silver buffalo round, this time from the Golden State Mint. Another 2026 Eagle. And another 2026 Eagle. Anyway, so I'd say the highlights here, were that cougar and the snake. Oh, and a Canadian maple leaf. What year is this? 2026. Anyway, that's my little haul for the day. Thanks for watching.